Very good morning to all my dear students. I am your Ashwini teacher. I will be teaching you science. Hope you all are doing well and doing studies. Now let's start with our first chapter. Before starting this chapter, let me ask you one question. Children, we all eat food, right? To get energy. But do you know from where do we get food? Yes, we get food from plants and animals. So today we will learn our first chapter, food. Where does it come from? Children, we are eating food in the morning as breakfast, in afternoon as lunch and night as dinner. But children, what is food? What is food? Different kinds of food we eat in our day-to-day life, like chapati, rice, dal, vegetables, fruits, chicken, fish. But what is food? Let's learn about food. The substance eaten by humans and other animals to get energy for various activities for the growth and development is called food. Substance means it can be chapati, it can be rice, dal, fruit, chicken, anything what you like to eat, from which we get energy for the growth and development. For the growth and development. Now, let's learn why food is important in our life. The first one, it provides energy to do various activities like playing football, going to school, doing some physical work. Second, it helps in growth. Third, food helps us stay healthy and protects our body from diseases. Fourth, food helps us to grow and repair worn out tissue. Worn out tissues means damaged tissue. So now children, here we have learned about food and importance of food in our life. Let's learn next topic, sources of food. The first one is food from plants. Food from plants. We all know that we get food from plants, but do you know how plants make their own food? So let's see. Green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight using carbon dioxide means from air and water means from soil. Green plants are able to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Through a process called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means put together, and synthesis means put together, right? Now let's learn the definition of photosynthesis. Children, this is not given in the textbook, but for your knowledge, I am explaining this. Listen it carefully. The process by which leaves prepare their food from water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and green colored substance, that is chlorophyll, which is present in the leaf, is called photosynthesis. Which is present in the leaf is called photosynthesis, and during this process oxygen is released. During this process oxygen is released. So now children, tell me which are the important factors for the process of photosynthesis. Let's see. The first one, water, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll, which is present in the leaf, and during this process oxygen is released, right? Now children, you might be thinking that what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is green colored pigment and responsible for the green color of the leaf. Pigment means a substance that gives color to things. Children, color of your skin depends on the amount of pigment in it, that is melanin. That is melanin. Plants are also called as producers because plants make their own food. Plants store extra food prepared by them in their different parts. This stored food helps them to survive in unfavorable condition. The stored food helps them to survive in unfavorable condition. Unfavorable condition means the condition which is not suitable for the growth of the plant. Okay children, so here we have learned about the process of photosynthesis. Now let's go to the next topic, different parts of plant, right? Root, stem, fruit, leaf, flower. These are the different parts of plant. We eat different parts of plants as food. So let's see. First one, roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds, right? So let's take first one, roots. We eat roots of plants such as carrot, turnip, sweet potato, radish. It means roots of different plants are used as food, eat as food, right? Next one, stems. A stem is the main structural support for the most complex plants. Children, we all drink sugarcane juice. It means we get sugarcane juice from the stem of the sugarcane plant, right? We also eat underground stems of plants such as potato, ginger, garlic. Underground stems. Wait children, wait. Why they are called as stem? Potato, ginger and garlic found under the ground. Instead of saying roots, we are saying stems. Why? Listen. This is the additional information children. Listen it carefully. Because potato, ginger and garlic have nodes and internodes. Because potato, ginger and garlic have nodes and internodes. Now let's see what are nodes and internodes. Children, this is the peak of potato. You can see some sprouted part. This part is called as node. This part is called as node. It sprouts stems and leaves. Stems and leaves. Nodes are also called as eyes of potato. Nodes are also called as eyes of potato. So this is about nodes. Let's see about internode. The space between nodes known as internode. The space between nodes is known as internode. In potato, the underground portion is modified stem. The underground portion is modified stem. In that, it stores preserved food and has all the characteristics of stem. So, because of all these reasons, potato is called as stem. Okay, children? Okay, let's go to the next part. Leaves. Okay. All leafy vegetables like spinach, coriander, mint. Next one, flowers. We eat some flowers of plants such as cauliflower and banana as vegetables, right? Next one, fruits. Fruits. We get fruits from the plants. Usually fruits have one or more seed. But do you know tomato, brinjal, ladyfinger and pumpkin are actually fruits because it is formed from the ovary after flowering. It means it develops from the flower and contains seeds, though we commonly group them as vegetable, right children? So next one, that is last one, seeds. There are many types of seeds which is available at home, at your home children, right? Chickpea, cowpea, mood beans, red kidney beans are seeds of plant and called as pulses, right? Pulses are rich in proteins, nutrients and vitamins. Now let's see about cereals. Wheat, rice, maize, millet. Millet means bajra. Are also seeds and called as cereals. Cereals have high levels of carbohydrates. It means it is rich in carbohydrates, right? Okay, let's go to the next topic, spices. Children, you like spicy food? Nowadays, your mother is also making some spicy dishes for you. Spices enhance the taste of food. Example, cinnamon, bay leaves, black cardamom, cloves, green cardamom, right? Now, we also eat some seeds after they sprout. Sprouted seeds are very healthy. Here you can see sprouted seeds. You can make sprouted seeds at home also. So listen to this activity. To make sprouts, wash the mung seeds and tie them in wet muslin cloth. Keep the cloth moist by sprinkling water over it. After some days, tiny thread-like sprouts start growing from the seeds. You can eat these sprouts either raw or cooked. You can make tasty bhel with sprouted seed. So enjoy your bhel, children, and listen to this audio carefully. Rest part will be explained in the next video very soon. Okay, bye children. Take care.